Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life, and welcome to two open collaborations I'm going to share today. Hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by our sweet friend Penny at Penny's Crafty Creations, and hashtag Hearts All Year, hosted by our sweet friend Susan at Susan Heartstrings and Terry at Tellin's Place. For hashtag Deck the Year, I'm sharing weeks 3 and 4, and I'm switching off every other week. So if you've watched, I've only posted 2 videos for hashtag Deck the Year. I'm doing cards one week, and then I'm doing index cards. So I'm going back and forth, and I'm still in the Hearts All Year mood. So let me share you these 2 cards. So these basically are from a paper pumpkin kit, and I just used the parts and pieces of it and just kind of put it together the way I wanted to. Of course, this little piece right here, this foam piece, isn't part of the kit, but this white part and this card that looks like this is part of it, as well as these stickers. And then I propped this up, You're My Favorite, after I stamped that on there, and then just tied a little twine red bow right there, and then nothing on the inside. So that's card number 1. And then the kit also came with these strips of hearts already cut, and then I just propped them up on pieces of foam. So I did that 6 times, and then I put this die cut on the top, and this sticker Love came in the kit as well. And then again, put a little ribbon, a little twine ribbon right there, hot glued that on, and then just put it on that, Love You. So same thing, nothing on the inside. So there are the cards, and then you can see all the hearts, right? Hearts all year. I love that. And then 2 index cards. And so I was getting some belated birthday and some March birthday cards ready to go. And Alma Tyser had a birthday in February, and I missed it, so I had made her a card. And then Angelica at Crafter Streets has a birthday in March, so I was getting her a card. I have a few other March birthdays on my list as well that I'm going to be making birthday cards for, and I'm sending those out, and I'll share those in an upcoming video. So I just got an index card, no lines, they were blank on both sides, and so I just collaged on some happy birthday paper, and then used these little hearts right here are from a card that I cut out on my Cricut, and then it came out with a lot of little hearts, white and pink. So I'm just gluing those on, and then this is just from a paper pad, and then foam stickers right here, and I inked around it, rounded out the edges, and same thing. I put that little sentiment, live your life. And on this one, the sentiment is, a party without cake is just a meeting. So, and then use these little foam, cupcake, put some on there too, those little cupcake stickers. And then these little banner right here is also part of on that sheet of paper. And then added just a whole bunch of random hearts because, we're happy and hopeful and love birthdays, right? So there's my 2 cards for hashtag Deck the Year, weeks 3 and 4, and then hashtag Hearts All Year with lots of hearts. So I know it's March. March just started though. So I do have my green out, and so I'm gearing up to make some green things. I have a couple projects that I'm working on. We're celebrating one of our Rosary Group friends' birthdays on Thursday, and so I have some little green treats that I'm getting together for that. So I think I'll share that in Project Share Thursday. So, all right, guys, thank you for stopping by. Definitely follow the hashtag, see what other people are creating, and check out Penny and Susan and Terry's channel soon. All right, talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.